App Volumes Manager is now available in the Azure Marketplace. Administrators can assign, deliver, update, and manage apps on demand directly in their Azure tenant. In this feature walkthrough, we'll briefly go over the benefits and outline how it works.
Remote app streaming lets end users access apps through a web browser or a client application without requiring the applications to be installed locally. IT can follow users as they use different apps instead of managing entitlements individually on each app server. This feature is great for older or specialized applications that are not supported on the client device, or applications that require high computing resources. A copy of each application installation is stored separately on shared storage. For virtual desktops, the app is attached only when the user launches the app. For multi-session servers, new app servers are deployed only when a user needs the app. From the Azure Marketplace, administrators can deploy an Azure Virtual Machine image with App Volumes Manager already installed and partially configured. In the Azure Marketplace, search for App Volumes Apps on Demand. Configuration options include all or some of the resources: Azure Virtual Machine, Public IP Address, Virtual Network, Database, Azure Storage and File Share, Private Endpoint, and Network Security Group.
Be sure to select the AVD integration checkbox. You must be using Microsoft Entra ID domain, and you must have gone into the Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center and created an app registration to register App Volumes as an application. After the App Volumes Manager VM is created, you can log in to App Volumes Manager. And to check the integration, go to the Infrastructure Integrations tab. I'll just show you the settings by clicking Edit. This configuration should have been automatically created. And then for details, see the product documentation topic called Configure App Volumes Manager Integration with Azure Virtual Desktop in the App Volumes Administration Guide. Once you've got the environment set up, packaging the app is really easy. First, you create a Capture Virtual Machine in Azure, then install App Volumes tools on the Capture Virtual Machine, and then package the app by using the command line App Capture program. You use the MSI flag to add that format, and then install the application on the machine, and then use the end flag to create the package output formats. Once the app has been packaged, you can import it into App Volumes Manager. If it's a new version of an existing application, after the import, move the package to the existing application and give the package the current marker. Packages that have that current marker automatically appear in Azure as App Attach application packages. That's all you do in App Volumes Manager. Now we'll switch over to Azure Virtual Desktop. The packaged application can be streamed to a Windows multi-session host pool, which is like a desktop pool in Horizon. Here's an outline of the process. Create a virtual machine in Azure, install the App Volumes agent just like you would in a vSphere VM, run sysprep, shut down the VM, and use it to capture an image. Use that image to create a multi-session Azure Virtual Desktop, and for the host pool type, select Pooled. You're going to assign this host pool to the application package, and you'll also assign users. In Azure Virtual Desktop, go to App Attach, and there you'll see the two app packages from App Volumes. We'll go to Notepad, and to assign the host pool, under Manage, click Host Pools. Click Assign, and search for one. We only have one, so select that and click Update. Next, we have to assign users, so click Users. Click Add. First, we'll search for a group, AVD users. Select that, and they're added. We're also going to select a single user. If you're familiar with Horizon, this is like entitling users to the application pool. And that's it.
Now let's take a look at the end user experience. We'll log into the Azure Virtual Desktop and see what's in the program files at this point. Notice that Notepad++ is not there. Let's go find it in the Start menu, though we could also click the desktop icon for it. Now that it's been selected, the app is delivered in real time and a folder is created in the Program Files folder. With App Volumes Apps on Demand, applications are assigned to the user rather than to virtual machines, so that a context-aware user policy can provide secure and personalized access to desktops and apps.
For more App Volumes technical resources, be sure to visit techzone.omnissa.com.